Hi everyone. Blake so kindly volunteered to do another recipe. Tonight he's going to be making yam and pecan pie. What do we need for the yam and pecan pie? We need 2 15-ounce cans of sweet potatoes in light syrup, drained, a 6-ounce reduced fat graham cracker crust. We don't have the reduced fat. 2 5-ounce cans of unsweetened evaporated milk, 1/4 cup pecans, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 400. Dump your sweet potatoes into a big bowl. Use a fork, potato masher, or electric mixer to mash them. Mix in evaporated milk, the brown sugar, and the 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice.
Okay, I think that's pretty good.
And mix that until thoroughly combined. And add your 2 eggs. And mix until thoroughly combined. And then put the mix into your pie crust. You may have some left over. So we have the pecans on 1/2 of the pie, and we did this in case some people don't like nuts. You can put it on the whole pie, that's the way the recipe calls for, but we didn't. Put your yam and pecan pie in a preheated 400-degree oven and cook it for 40 to 45 minutes or until a knife stuck in the center comes out clean. So after 40 minutes, we took it out. We're going to test it. If the knife comes out clean, it is done. And it's done. We'll let it cool completely, and then we'll do a taste test. So here is the yam and pecan pie. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This kind of looks like a pecan pie.
It is a yam and pecan pie that Blake made.
Oh, it smells good. It's pretty good. It's not as sweet as a regular pecan pie, but it's got a different flavor from a regular sweet potato pie. I like it.
We need 6-ounce reduced fat graham cracker crust. The pie crust, yeah.
Oh, sorry, I was like...
Okay, let's try that again.
Yeah, I was... You said 6 ounces, I was like, a measurement.
Preheat the oven to 400.
Oops. Let's get that one out.
Oh.
Talking to yourself.
Now in the day and age of cell phones, people just think I'm talking to somebody on a phone instead of talking. Oh, this is still going. I'm getting all of this. Okay. We're supposed to put the pecans on the whole pie, but just in case you are allergic, I guess if you're allergic, you wouldn't want it on the other half of the pie. Probably not. I'll have to cut that part out.
No one saw anything.
So what? What'd she say?
Should I repeat that for her, Mom? Okay, I know what you said.
What'd she say? Oh. You know we got that because I haven't shut it off yet. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.